What is going on, guys? We are back on another episode of DC Bronzies. My name is Tyler. If you are new, please consider tapping that red button down below with your nose. I bet you guys can do it. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get right into the video. Today I'm fishing river smallmouth once again. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Can't wait to see if the fish are popping, if the fish are a little bit bigger, because they should be spawning pretty soon here, so that'll be interesting to see. So we're gonna go down to the river right now and get set up and try to go catch some fish. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get back down in that spot, see if there's another fish sitting there. Oh yeah, sure enough. Oh, came off. Jeez, that's like 3 fish hooked in that spot. Right here, little hole. Oh, I missed them again. There's a ton right here. They're stacked. Kind of stung them all with the hook sets. There we go. Rock bass. Oh, that's what some of my little pecks were last night. Figured. Dang. A little rocky. This little guy. There we go. Same spot. Forgot that he got stuck before. Oh, he came off. Ah. There he goes. Another. Same spot. That's just nuts. They're just loaded right there. Another little guy. Bunch of fun. Going back. Alright, looking for the big one tonight. Oh jeez. Big fish is the goal. Gotta see if we can find them. 3-pounder would be. Seems like this spot's a lot sandier. I'm not finding as many fish in this spot. Up there's more rocks, but like right down here it's kind of sandy. I think the smallmouth like the rocks because that's where all the crayfish hide. Oh, the flies down here are crazy. I know I mentioned in my previous video that I was having a lot better luck throwing the Ned rig upriver yesterday. To be honest, I don't really know why. Usually I don't like to do that because you get snagged a lot more, but yesterday it was killer. I was just kind of dragging it along the tops of the rocks and I was getting hit a lot. Oh, I just missed one. You get snagged quite a bit, but for some reason fish were chomping it when I was throwing it upriver yesterday. Oh, good. It's definitely a smallmouth. Feels better too. Oh wait, never mind. It's a sheephead. Dang it! That did not even feel like a sheephead when he bit, or when he was fighting at first. Come on. I really hate these fish. I mean, they put up a fight, but it's just not my favorite at all. They start to get annoying, especially when you're trying to target smallmouth. It's a pretty big one. Oh, yeah, stuff like that. Just gotta tick you off. Try to pop that out. These things are fat this time of year. Oh! Oh my gosh. I just got showered. Oh, my face full of mud. That was nasty. That's why I hate those fish right there. Alright, let's try not to catch another one of those all day. Man, I thought for sure that was a big smallmouth. The way he was fighting at first wasn't like a sheephead at all. Felt like a smallmouth, but I think it's because I was pulling him downstream. Oh, I just saw him eat it. Small one followed it to the bank. Let's go. That was so sweet. I don't know if you guys could see that. Saw his dark shape just eat it. All small today so far. Whoa, he's got some big teeth on the top there. Holy crap. He's using them to munch. Sorry for all the noise. Just another nice little smallie. That guy's tiny, but he's fat. Oh my gosh. I have a gar right now. No way. Oh, it's a gar. Jeez. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these up close and it's flipping. What the heck? Yo, that is sick. That is an unexpected catch. Dang. Look at that. That's super cool. Well guys, I thought I had another sheephead. Turns out it's a big, or not a big smallie, but he's going crazy. Gonna have to go get him. Sweet. I wanted to get one more before I had to go. Alright, they're all this size today, unfortunately. I was hoping to come and find some size, but that's all we're able to get. But hey, we'll take them. It's a smallmouth. Alright guys, last smallmouth of the day, I think.